How to shovel the right way like a pro. Subscribe for more new videos. Shoveling snow can be a difficult and physically demanding task, especially if you don't have the right technique. However, with the proper technique and a little bit of knowledge, anyone can become a pro at shoveling snow. In this guide, we'll cover the steps you need to follow to shovel the right way and make the task as safe and efficient as possible. Step 1. Warm up. Before you start shoveling, it's important to warm up your muscles. This can help prevent injury and make the task easier. Spend a few minutes doing some light exercise, such as jogging in place or doing jumping jacks. Step 2. Choose the right shovel. There are several different types of shovels to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. When choosing a shovel, consider the type of snow you will be shoveling, heavy, wet, or powdery, the amount of snow you need to shovel, and your physical abilities. A shovel with a curved handle and a curved blade is best for lifting and moving large amounts of snow. A shovel with a straight handle and a flat blade is best for scraping snow from flat surfaces, such as driveways and sidewalks. Step 3. Stretch. After warming up and choosing the right shovel, it's time to stretch. This can help prevent injury and make the task easier. Some of the best stretches for shoveling snow include: hamstring stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend forward at the waist and touch your toes. Quad stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend your right knee and hold your ankle with your right hand. Shoulder stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then reach behind you with your right hand and grab your left elbow. Step 4. Start slow and take breaks. Shoveling snow is a physically demanding task, so it's important to start slow and take breaks as needed. Start by shoveling small amounts of snow, and gradually increase the amount as your muscles warm up. Take breaks as needed, and be sure to hydrate throughout the task. Step 5. Use your legs. One of the keys to shoveling the right way is to use your legs, not your back. When lifting snow, bend at the knees and use your legs to lift the snow, not your back. This will help prevent injury and make the task easier. Step 6. Push, don't lift. Whenever possible, try to push the snow instead of lifting it. This is much easier on your back and can help you shovel more efficiently. Step 7. Take smaller scoops. When lifting snow, take smaller scoops instead of large ones. This will make the task easier and help you avoid injury. Step 8. Avoid twisting. When shoveling snow, try to avoid twisting your back. Instead, turn your feet in the direction you want to go, and pivot on your feet. Step 9. Use good posture. Good posture is key to shoveling the right way. Stand up straight, keep your back straight, and engage your core muscles. Step 10. Finish strong. When you're finished shoveling, be sure to cool down. Spend a few minutes stretching and walking around, and be sure to hydrate. In conclusion, shoveling snow can be a difficult and physically demanding task, but with the proper technique and a little bit of knowledge, anyone can become a pro. Always warm up before starting. Choose the right shovel, stretch, start slow and take breaks, use your legs, push instead of lifting, take smaller scoops. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.